Hi guys, key performance indicators. What are they and how are they developed? Welcome to Monitoring and Evaluation Made Simple. I am your host, Coach Alexander. For those of you who are here for the very first time, this channel provides information on monitoring and evaluation to everyone in the world. And most of all, content on YouTube is absolutely free. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so that you can get all the latest updates in monitoring and evaluation. This is a very short video, and for obvious reasons, I want to keep it short and less boring for everyone. So let's get right into it. What are key performance indicators? Key performance indicators are variables that give you a means to measure whether your goals or objectives are actually being achieved. For example, imagine you set yourself a goal. You tell yourself that by 2025, you want to be earning a monthly salary of $5,000 every month. So the question is, what is your indicator? Well, to measure whether you are achieving your goal of $5,000 every month, the variable you will use is called monthly net income. So, what you will be tracking each and every month will be your monthly net income, because that is a variable that once you monitor every month, you'll be able to see whether you have achieved your goal or not. Why are key performance indicators important? Well, they help you track whether you are indeed achieving your goals or objectives. Without having key performance indicators, you would never know how well you are actually doing in life, in your business, or in your project. How are key performance indicators developed? They are simply developed using the theory of change. So that's all the time I had for today as regards the key performance indicators. Just in case you want to learn about key performance indicators further, I have videos on my channel that teach you about key performance indicators. Also, if you want to enrich yourself further on key performance indicators, do not hesitate to join the over 170 students who have enrolled in my course, which I have on Udemy. Click the link below to access the rich 2-hour course on key performance indicators. Now, before I leave, I just want to talk briefly about what is happening around the world, the coronavirus. You know, guys, I want to let you know that this thing is real. Please ensure to protect yourselves 100% of the time. Avoid movements, things are not normal. You watch BBC, CNN. So I would also like you to just, if you are totally new, I don't think you're new to the coronavirus situation, but in case you don't have all the details, you can still click on some of the videos that I've posted on the coronavirus. But just to tell you and sum it up, why have we failed in this world to limit the spread of this virus globally? Why didn't it just remain in China? Well, the truth is, guys, the monitoring surveillance system was quite weak, okay, and that has costed us dearly. Very soon, if you subscribe to this channel, I'm going to release a long video discussing this issue at a bigger in-depth level, so that you get to understand what are the weaknesses, because we are in the 21st century and we shouldn't have to experience these problems at this bigger magnitude. So something must have gone wrong, something needs to be corrected, and that is my job. That is your job as M&E specialist. If you're a specialist, or if you want to become a monitoring and evaluation specialist, that is your job. You need to monitor. You need to see to it that if there are problems, how do we correct those problems? Well, until we meet again, I've been your host, Coach Alexander. See you on the other side. Bye.